Welcome to the Positive Masculinity for Boys series. My name is Agyeman, founder of Boys to Noble Men Mentorship program. You see, in this series, I'll be sharing with you practical strategies for schools who are wanting to raise respectful and responsible boys. You see, I believe that it's easier to raise strong children than to repair broken men. And that quote captures why this series exists. Teenage boys today are growing up in a world where the influences are louder and the pressure is constant. And healthy models of masculinity are increasingly unclear. And many schools are asking the same question: how do we help our boys grow into respectful, responsible young men? Across the episodes, I'll be sharing the same practical framework that I teach in schools through our Boys to Noble Men program that will help you also in your efforts to raise strong, noble, and respectful boys in your school community. So let's dive into the series. Let's go.